Bird stuck in window. Rescuer. Gloves. Bird.
I'm just scared that if I get it, I can't let it go in here because then it will be stuck.
Yeah, but at least it will.
I don't know if I can get it out.
You're gonna give him a heart attack. Oh god, I feel so bad for him. Be careful not to block that lump of wood or else he's dead.
I can't even get my hand in there.
How do we get him out? Oh my god! Oh god.
He needs to go down, maybe.
You think he flew up there? From the outside? That would make more sense maybe than having flown in. Yeah, but
I don't know what to do.
don't go out there anyway.
Just go down, little boy. I can't like
You look like a mime actor.
I know, I can't like reach around. Because he can definitely fit down, but he... What if I just grab him when he comes up? I have to be really quick though.
Be careful not to kill him. The background is looking great and there's the whole derelict thing out there.
Go, go, go!
Yay! Save the birdie!
It's still on.
Yeah, so I'll turn it off.